the vlog of Shark Beach. One day in Shark Beach. Ciao Luigi.
Boys.
Too much tapé, pas pareil.
I just started.
Like I would like to be in that field, and I would just like apply everything.
Primo vlog, Shark Beach. Whoa, what did you forget? Your phone? What happened, Remi? You forget your phone in the...
15 minutes outside Bondi Bumble.
Okay, I've lost my item. So maybe our Poland friend, new Poland friend got a new iPhone from this guy here. Okay, so tell us the story, Louis. What happened?
Just 15 minutes outside Bondi and Remi forgot his phone.
15 minutes. Maybe you should come back in Bondi, Remi.
Yeah, I'm not good. I'm not
No.
good outside of Bondi.
Friend is coming back. He's now pissed off.
Sorry.
It was not happy, huh?
You got it?
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, that's it.
Eli. Yes.
Tutto bene.
So, do you like Shark Beach? It's the first time that you come here, right?
Last time, it's really nice, a bit windy.
A bit windy, yeah, I don't know why. It's never windy, but it's nice. Usually the color of the beach are very nice because it's like the sand is very white. Che dici, bellezza?
E lei era top.
Sei contenta di essere uscita da Bondi?
Io sono sempre da Bondi.
Sei contenta che ti ho portato a Shark Beach oggi?
Ti ho portato io.
Ah, ok, smettila. Poi gli squaletti che ti mangiano, le chiappe.
Secondo me.
The soccer player, Kylian Mbappé.
I've heard of it.
He's from Bondy.
And it's like a.
He's from where, Mbappé?
Bondy.
Bondi?
Bondy.
No, but like.
Your place?
No, it's in Paris.
Ah.
Like
Boy, every French people say Bondy.
before I was coming to Australia in Italian, I was saying Bondi Beach, but now I just say Bondi. Bondi.
Sei contenta del nuovo acquisto? Ce la faccio tutta rossa.
Come lo sa? Oh. Oh.
La mezza maratona di Roma, dove ci siamo segnati che il mio obiettivo sarà battere Elisa.
Yeah.
Che l'obiettivo della mezza di Roma sarà batterti per me.
Ok. Vedremo.
Luigi? Oh. Amore, mutatina, racchettoni, bagnetto. Sonno becco. Andiamo a smangiucchiare, eh?
Sì, non so se prendere gli occhiali da sole, che fai?
Andiamo a mangiarci un paninetto. Penso che queste video, queste clip siano veramente un macello, senza senso. Imparerò o smetterò prima di imparare? Boh, vediamo. Let's see.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Good.
May, June, it's perfect.
Wow.
Coming back in Rome in spring.
Che ti mangi? What are you going to eat?
On va manger.
Hein?
On va manger.
À manger?
On va manger. Alessandro, c'est plus possible, on peut plus le voir. C'est insupportable, il me casse les couilles.
Are you insulting me or
Non.
what? Beach Road?
No.
No. Doesn't look that good. How is it?
It's weird.
Chicken.
Guarda la
paste.
mozzarella.
Oh, what is the chicken? Is it good?
Io faceva bello cagare. È stato un gran flop.
Ma secondo te si capirà qualcosa o sarà proprio una merda tipo che non si potrà vedere?
Come non si potrà vedere?
Solo per noi.
Sì. Come siamo innamorati di dire
No,
la telecamera. We should sponsor this sunscreen.
Let's go on. Can you go on the left?
Huh?
Go on the left.
No. Stavamo dormendo io e Lillo e è iniziato a piovere, diciamo di scappare.
Next week apparently is going to be winter again. How is 20 to 25 degrees? I will never understand how it is summer for them.
That's crazy, huh? Isn't it?
That was
It's raining, it's everything great.
Not the best.
Rainy as fuck. Let's get drunk here. Questa è l'Australia, il tempo. Andate, andate, andate.
non so che lo si sta
the plan? 4 beers? No, I don't want to drink today, I told you. You wanna do 8 beers? So, do you know where is the bus stop or not? Oh fuck.
Maybe we're gonna follow everyone.
Follow everyone, maybe everyone has the car.
I know where it's
Follow! Follow the sun! Sole, di nuovo. C'è il sole, c'è il sole, c'è il sole, c'è il sole. Vaucluse. Vaucluse, where is in France, Vaucluse?
How do you say département?
Where is?
Region?
Where?
region.
Where? South?
South.
Is rich? It's a good place?
Not like this.
This is okay.
It's okay.
Not like. You should see Elisa's place. It's a castle. It's Vaucluse. 20 milioni di casa, ancora con l'albero di Natale. È tutta sozza.
Sandro, tu viens de retour?
Yeah.
Vaucluse, you find a way to do it.
Per non prendere 2 bus stiamo passando per uno dei quartieri più ricchi e costosi di Sydney e queste sono le case.
Questa è quella che c'aveva il viale. Questa là aveva uno champagne.
Mazza, ci sta basket, piscina. Carine, eh? Piove di nuovo. È il ristorante da Rocco. Come è possibile? Siamo a Bali nella wet season.
Let's make some pancakes.
Let's make some crepe. Crepe or pancake? Crepe.
Crepe, French crepes.
French crepe. Oh, finally back in Bondi.
Really, like it's something that you do at home often?
Yeah.
Ah, really?
When it's raining, like that.
When it's raining, you didn't make crepe?
Yeah.
I don't know how to cook them. What do you
We're
need?
going to
Eggs,
make crepes
flour,
in our home.
milk.
And
You need
rub.
Do you have some rum?
rum.
Rum.
Che è rum?
R-U-M.
Ah,
Rum. Rum.
No.
Perché Remi ci butta
So
rum.
Remy is gonna buy the rum and
Let's buy the rum. $100 rum for like just a little bit like that.
I'll get the Nutella. The Nutella because it's like $15. Do you pay
Remi, the older
Remy
one.
pay.
the Nutella?
Nutella. Nutella? The French Nutella? Prendere uova, farina, latte. That's it. Lactose free, full cream, skim, light.
It's perfect.
What is it? What's that shit?
That's the
And film for Louis because Louis never pays, never use it. Never.
Dai, chop chop.
Chop chop. Ma ci vuole un bon moment.
Let's go. Here we are again, raining and waiting. Do you like it? I don't like it at all. Che cazzo di tempo, that's crazy. so that's Australian summer. Australia sun, big waves, surf, hot weather. Woo! Money! French crepes. Bon.
Put everything. Okay, 300.
Let's see.
We need 370.
We need 230 we need.
No, it's 600 I need.
230. We put 370, now 230.
He's more patient, these guys.
Shut up. Okay, 240. So a little bit.
It's not good too much.
It looks like almost now. Stop. Oh, stop. Something about no. Say something about today in French.
Moi,
Il comprend rien quand on lui parle.
tout le lait et en une fois c'est fini.
Mais c'est pas du tout ça, frère, ça fait des grumeaux après, espèce de con.
C'est n'importe quoi si tu fais bien, tu sais.
Mec, t'as fait la cuisine toi?
J'ai fait la cuisine
T'as fait
toute
quoi?
ma
T'as fait des Yoshi?
Yoshi.
Du coup, avec une fourchette déjà à sortir de là, on n'est pas
Mec,
d'accord.
t'as jamais fait des gâteaux avec une fourchette toi?
Bah non, avec une
Una forchetta.
forchetta, una fourchette.
Je comprends rien.
Vas-y, je te donne.
Non.
C'est un disaster.
It's a disaster. It's a little bit more than 600. Thanks for your help for the crepes, eh?
Che punti tieni? Che fame?
C'è fame pure. Stiamo facendo.
Bah non, avec une bière,
La nutella.
T'es riche toi? Toi t'es riche toi?
Ah, parce qu'une baguette, c'est pas très pour avoir une touillette, genre.
I think it's enough. Remi, I think has never cooked in his life.
Passe-moi une sorte de sopalin s'il te plaît, Canu. Regarde, we're gonna have some donut.
What do you need?
Tissue.
Tissue.
Non, tissue, like. Yes. Ah, c'est pour ça?
The first one is always like not good.
Yep.
Let's see. Okay, so we'll record one each. This is Remi. Let's see Louis' crepe and Alessandro's crepe.
Not too bad for the first one.
Yeah, not too bad.
La 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 la.
First one, Remi's crepe.
You need to flip. You need to flip. Ciao.
Louis turn. Oh.
Perfect line.
She's Remi's. It's like
It's
pancake.
good. No, it's good.
It's too fat.
Yeah, it's too fat.
Too warm.
Yeah,
Nothing.
Yeah.
What do you...
it's too much.
This is crêpe, this is pancake.
This is pancake.
Regalo.
Regalo per la ragazza.
Ah mais scusa, hai dato le
Oh, good job, Elisa. Did you make all of them?
All of them.
Wow.
Especially the thin ones.
What? No, what? Look what. The only thing that she did is use this one to mix, that we are using that one to do that.
Oh!
Fuck.
Thank you, Elisa.
Thank you. Right? Easy guys, easy.
What the hell? 300 for a private room.
Yes, to show with you.
And how did you find that?
A friend of
Are you
mine
good?
was living there and just for the
Amazing.
weekend.
Ah, okay.
She asked her.